And this application here, I'm going to show you how to use this application here, like a promotion. Make sure you watch full video. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and it's jam-packed with AI features which you can use. So it's pretty much hard for me to go through everything. As you can see here, you have the image quality enhancer using AI repairing old photos, and pretty much make them look modern. Same thing for the photo restoration. You can improve any video that you have created to 4K resolution. A lot of features, guys. You have also AI effects that you can add to your video. You have AI art generator. You have image to video generator. I'm not going to stop on the image to video generator option here and show you a bit for this. So this feature here allows you to add your image. Also, you can just tap on import here. And if I tap on the import, once I import that image that I want to pretty much turn into a video, I can go down here and select the image quality where I want to be HD. Quick meaning it's not that good at the quality. So once I've done that, you pretty much tap on start, and it will require me a bit of coins, or should say coins, but I don't have any coins on this application here. So that's pretty much it for that feature there. And the rest of the feature, pretty much AI, you have the AI subtitles as well. And a lot of features, guys, a lot of features. So you can just comment below whichever feature that you want me to go through. I will gladly help you out with that. So that's it for this section here. You have the templates option, which you can also use as well. This section here allows you to create similar videos using your photos or videos. So let's say, for example, if you want to use the template, all you got to do is just tap on it. And as you can see, it will require you 13 clips to create a similar video like this. So always look at the clip section, so you will know how much clips you will need to create a similar video. And it will pretty much take all the clip and give you the same edit, so you won't do literally no work. You can go at the top here to pretty much search for a template that you may want, let's say slow motion, as you can see here, and it will give you template.
I want you.
And tap on template usage, just tap on that section there, and you should be good to go. So the star icon pretty much adds it as your favorite, but because I'm not logged in, it won't add it as my favorite. So that's pretty much it for that there, and I'm just going to go back here. So in the me section here, pretty much we're going to select or to get your subscription. So if I tap on this here where it says Wink VIP, and I'll pretty much show you the prices. So the prices, as you can see here, the monthly subscription is for $50, and you can see the yearly subscription is pretty much $4 a month. So yeah, you also can get a 7 days free trial, so you can always test out their pro subscription features as well. And as you can see, they're showcasing what we're getting with the VIP subscription. But there's a lot of features on this application, so do keep that in mind that I've shown you earlier. So that's it for this application. And no, I've missed a lot, not a lot, but a few, but they pretty much explain themselves. But if there's something that you do not understand, you can always comment below the video, and I will give you an explanation or how to do it or what the case is. So see you guys in the next one.